Soldier Fortune Monster Jam Series 10. Here in Series 10 we have the Gravedigger, Monster Mop Poodle, El Toro Loco, which I just showed you, Scooby-Doo, Stone Crusher, Queen Bee, Brodozer, and Gravedigger. And this Soldier Fortune is in Legacy Trucks. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Wristband has a Monster Jam logo on it and monsterjam.com. I wish it had the name of the truck on it. That would have been pretty cool. And of course the poster, which I'm not gonna show you since you've seen it so many times. Alright, the reason why I kept this one too, if you saw the other video, which I mentioned of El Toro Loco, for my birthday, this was the other truck that my parents got me, and I wanted to keep it. It was very cool. I like Soldier Fortune, plus it had the printing of the BKT lettering on the tires, which I think are extremely awesome to have on this truck, and it really looks authentic. I don't know if it has any colored on the beadlock rims on the real version. Let's go ahead and review Soldier Fortune here. The Monster Jam logo on the truck is a lot bigger than the one on the left-hand side. Also, the flag, you can see the American flag a whole lot better. Even the lettering, or not the lettering, but the numbers and stuff on the truck, you can see a whole lot better also. Just the graphics package kind of looks a little bit better. The Soldier Fortune name looks a little bit larger. Onto the front of the truck, it looks pretty much the same. The side of the truck, so you can see how much larger the name of the truck, the Monster Jam logo, and the flag. And there's the numbers and stuff which I was talking about. And then if I bring in this older version, you can see the difference. On to the back of the truck, well, mostly the tailgate, the Soldier Fortune name is a lot bigger, so you can see the font size on that one compared to this newer one. You can surely make it out more. And then the windshield back here and in the front is a little bit different also, if you can tell. That piece of in the windshield, that plastic, you can't tell it as much, or see it as much I should say, on the back of the truck. So maybe the windshield itself is a little bit darker. And also on the back of the truck here, they don't have it painted black. I think this one tops it, so it looks a little bit better for Soldier Fortune. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of Soldier Fortune from Series 10.